Today we're going to continue working on our personal narrative notebook, and then we're going to continue working on our draft as well. Okay, so I'm going to have that draft available for this week. But first, I want you to go to your personal narrative notebook. You're going to click on that, and we're going to go to slide 9. We're going to talk a little bit about adding more details. Okay, so we're looking at our nouns in our writing. So in a little bit, you're going to look at your writing draft that you had turned in now, send it back to you. And we're going to underline, you can look at your nouns. What are nouns, guys? Person, place, or thing. Okay, and we're going to see which ones need to be more specific. More specific. Okay. Now, I've got an example that I'm going to read to you for just a minute. And I want you to think about some ways this was more specific when talking about our nouns. Okay, ready? I was sitting at the kitchen table as I ate Lucky Charms cereal and drank the sweetened milk from the bowl on the day I decided I was not cut out for babysitting. Okay, so just a couple examples there was cereal. Could have said I was sitting at my kitchen table and I ate cereal and drank milk. They said I drank Lucky Charms cereal and drank sweetened milk. That's describing the cereal and the milk. So what I want you to do is think about different ways that you can describe your breakfast. Okay, you may say bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. That's one way to describe your breakfast. Can be different things, different words that you can use to describe your breakfast, whatever breakfast it is. So instead of saying I was sitting at my table eating breakfast, you may say I was sitting at my table eating my bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit for breakfast. Okay. Also, cereal. How can you describe cereal? Different words. You may say Captain Crunch. It's one of my favorites. Bug. How are ways that you can describe a bug? You might say instead of I saw a bug, you might say I saw a huge, long-legged spider coming toward me. Okay. So I want you to fill in number 9, slide 9, with different ways to describe the nouns that are listed, breakfast, cereal, and bug. And I want you to go to your draft, okay? And I want you to add in your draft more specific describing words for the nouns in your story.